Okay, this video is going to go over legal terms for ASL 3. So remember that with these legal terms, they're not really just one sign to the word, but rather like 3 or 4 signs or maybe even a whole sentence that is explaining what that is and what that means, okay? So the first one is emancipate. So we have disconnect from family, you don't want them, and then that the court is going to approve it. Approved, okay. Distinguishing can be unique or different or something you can notice or that's easy to identify. Violent, you can do mean, angry, blow a gasket, or serious danger. Okay, probation, we have cop is watching. Parole, so jail, you go. Early excuse, maybe. Arrest, so you can do arrest and then you're brought to jail. Firearm, you can do gun, you can do dangerous, and then weapon is fingerspelled. Jurisdiction, so we have an area that has power, and you notice the court only can, with that town or county, it's their area. Court, power, not other responsibility. So that was like 2 sentences for explaining jurisdiction. So there's gonna be some like that. Cohabitants, so they live together. It could be wife and husband. It could be partners, sweethearts, friends, whatever. Likelihood, it's likely, can, or yes, likely, or serious, yes. Violation, it's like break, but you're more dramatic with it. Violation. Or you could do follow, rules not. Class A, misdemeanor. So we have an agent. Has a punishment. And so you have 2 options. You can do 1 year in jail, or you have maybe some kind of fine, and then just specify or fingerspell the fine. I think the example online was $4,000. Subsequent, so happen, one time, not, or you can do it happens often or again and again. No contact order, so contact, none. And you can kind of like elaborate on this and say emails, in-face, calls, none. You can't. A mediator, so there's an agent, and on the left and the right, there's a person, and they're separated, and they go in to meet and discuss and inform, and they alternate and do the same thing. When they're finished, they inform the court what was discussed. Custody, you can do take care of children, and then who's going to, who. Premise, we're going to do place here, or you can do here. Possession will be have. Temporary protective order, we're going to do if there's happened that there's an emergency, that they must serve a paper. Contempt, so rules, there's a list. Follow not, punish, can. Interfere is going to be like annoy. Temporary custody, so suppose something keeps popping up and happening, there's danger. Short or temporary, take care of the kids, can. Evidence. Dispose, so you have something and you have to hold it. You have to wait, and when court is finished, you can throw out. Child abuse, so when kids are involved, the situation where there's beating up or the children can see or hear something happening. CPS, you can do CPS or you can just describe the process of it. Guardian, so we have child, here, we're setting them up with classifier, and we're going to take them somewhere else for care. Divorce, oh, these are more of our simple ones. Okay, so we have divorce or divorce, steal, kill, also murder, law, court, innocent, guilty, judge or judge, your rights. And last one is dismiss. So we have excuse or you just drop the case. And I think that is the main ones we're going to focus on for legal terms.